I just got to say this. Earlier, while I was at the pool, the pool concierge came and asked if I'd like a drink. Took me a nice fruit punch, and then he indicated that there is lunch available. He took me the menu while I was still in the water and gave me tenderloin with sweet potato fries. It was excellent. Of course, I was in the water, no phone, couldn't capture it. So now I'm sitting here on the side, a bit away from the pool. No idea that this service could still extend almost to the entrance to the reserve side of the property. And here he comes asking me, would you like something else? And the end of that question landed me this wonderful catch of the day with tortillas and vegetales. If I love this property anymore, nobody's business.